Market is almost ready to go into shutdown mode for the holidays, but there's still a lot of news before traders go away for the next maybe week and a half, if you will. Europe, the latest there, the breakdown. You had the ECB announcing the results of a 3-year long-term refinancing operation. Essentially, that's banks getting cheap loans at 1% for 3 years. Better demand than expected. That initially sent European stocks and U.S. futures higher, but things have pulled back a bit. I think the reality has set in that this, like many other things that Europe has tried to do, does not immediately solve the European debt crisis. As a matter of fact, bond yields for some of the most troubled nations, including Italy, rising again. Not good news. Looking at some other bits of news that is not necessarily good before the holidays. Oracle, usually a company that you can depend upon for strong earnings, great guidance. Looks like the debt crisis abroad may be hitting them as well. Earnings missed forecasts, sales missed. People are worried about a possible slowdown in IT. Oracle's bad results likely to hit other companies such as SAP, Microsoft, and Salesforce.com. And this comes only a day after Red Hat, another enterprise software company, also announced results that disappointed investors. Finally, a stock we love to beat up upon because it's just that easy. Research in Motion, RIM popping early trading because of speculation reports that the company may finally be a takeover target. There were some reports saying that Amazon made a bid for them, but that was rejected. Other reports saying that Microsoft and Nokia mulled an offer. I love when you get those reports about companies mulling something. I mull things all the time. I mulled whether or not to have cereal or an English muffin for breakfast. But all you need is mulling to pop a stock. It's crazy these days. Research in Motion may finally be a takeover target, but I'd still be wary. Investors have to realize that this company has a lot of problems, and just like Europe, they're not going to be solved overnight.